Hi, second graders. Today we're going to talk about the short I sound. Short I says I, I. Notice what my mouth does when I say the short I sound. I, I. Now you try. I. Short I says I when it's in between two consonants. Remember, short I is a closed syllable and makes its short sound when it's surrounded by two consonants. Let's go ahead and finger stretch some of our words. So for example, if my word was tip, I would finger stretch that t, I have 3 fingers, so that means I'm going to use 3 sound boxes on my graphing paper. T, I, p. Then I'm going to zap it on the line. T, I, p, tip. I used 3 fingers, so I used 3 sound boxes. Let's try one more. How about sip? Sip. Let's finger stretch it. S, I, p, sip. S, I, p. I use 3 fingers, so I should use 3 sound boxes. Now I'm going to zap it on the line. S, I, p. When you're all done finger stretching out your words, then mapping them and zapping them, make sure that you record yourself reading those words.